In this video, we're gonna be making a holiday recipe. But before that, check out my ugly sweater. I actually won this in a contest and I ordered a large, or I asked for a large and it came 2 times larger, extra large. So, I don't know, is it ugly enough? Let me know down in the comments. Now let's get started. All right, we're gonna be doing a popular street food snack. It's called Pionono. Repeat with me, Pionono. So these are the ingredients. We're gonna be using half a pound of ground beef, 1 egg, some gluten-free whole grain oat flour, as you can see here. And then some onions, and then we got the plantains. Now, I do know they look kind of, a lot of people would say, oh man, it looks rotten, but nope, these are just right. This is how you want them to look when you make Piononos. And then we got some chopped up cubano pepper, salt, garlic. Here's a seasoning that we like to use sometimes. It's optional, but you know, if you'd like to use it, you can find it at a lot of Hispanic food stores. You can even find it at Walmart in the international section. So check it out. Let's get started. So if your plantains end up a little bit too thick, like some of mine did, you can like gently squash it with a spatula. So, you know, don't be afraid to do that. And since you're gonna use a mold anyway, like if they're broken into pieces, just shape it around. So. If you start to see your mixture get a little bit thick, add a little bit of water just so you can get kind of like a pancake batter consistency. Now we're gonna stick this in the oven for about 35 minutes or until golden brown. All right, this is it, folks. Time for a taste test. Here we go. Looks good from where I'm standing. I really like that savory and sweet combination. And like that batter, you can hardly taste it. Well, I mean, we didn't put in a lot, but it's pretty good, yes. Real like it. Well, I'm gonna enjoy this. I hope you guys enjoy it too. Let us know in the comments down below.